In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a draft page into your main website navigation using the Pages Organizer in Chrome. To get started, open your Pages directory where you can see the full layout and structure of your site. This is the area that shows your page list in an organized sidebar or dashboard view, including your navigation sections and any pages that are currently not being displayed in the main menu. Make sure you're working inside Chrome and give yourself a moment to look over the layout so you can clearly identify the different page groups. Once you're in the organizer, scroll down past the active navigation items until you reach the section labeled Not Linked. This area contains pages that exist on your site but are not currently visible in the main navigation menu. If you have a long list of pages, scroll carefully so you don't miss the one you want to move. It helps to move slowly and confirm the page title before making any changes. Next, find the specific draft page you want to add to your main navigation. Look for the row or card that matches the page name you're targeting. Before you move it, take a second to verify that you've selected the correct item, especially if you have similarly named pages in the list. When you've found it, click and hold the drag handles next to that page name. These are usually shown as a small grip or icon to the side of the row. Keep the mouse held down and begin dragging the page upward. As you move it, guide the row across the divider lines and into the main navigation section. You'll want to position it exactly where you want it to appear within the menu, since its placement here often determines the order visitors will see on your site. Once the page is sitting in the correct slot inside the main navigation area, release the mouse. That action saves the structural update and immediately makes the page live in your website's main menu, header, or navigation bar depending on your site layout. After releasing it, it's a good idea to quickly review the menu order and make sure the page appears where expected. If needed, you can usually drag it again to fine-tune its position. That's all it takes to turn a not linked draft page into a visible navigation link on your site.